Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you how to find and restore recently deleted apps on your iPhone. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel to show your support. To view and restore your deleted apps, first open the App Store on your iPhone. Now, tap on your photo in the upper right corner. Here, tap Apps. In this menu, you will see the apps that are currently on your phone with an open button next to them. Apps that you've deleted will be identified by a cloud with an arrow pointing down. You can switch to this Not on this iPhone tab to view deleted apps only. Tap the download icon next to an app to download it on your iPhone. Now, if you want to hide a specific app from this list, simply swipe left on it and then choose this Hide option. Once you do, the app won't appear on this list anymore. If you have any questions about this topic, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And remember to subscribe to Glitch Guru for more tips like this.